Denise, aka Love for My Curls, here, back with another video. So as I always say at the start of my video, welcome to my channel. My channel is dedicated to my curly hair journey, the products that I like to use. I might be incorporating some other topics along the way, but it's mainly about my curly hair journey. So welcome. I was thinking to myself, ooh, what topic should I talk about today? I went out for dinner, so I thought to myself, you know, when I come back, even though it's late at night, and it is really late at night, so I'm going to try not to speak too loud. What would I like to talk about tonight? And I have been really happy with a couple of the products that I've actually revisited recently. So as you know, I'm a product hair junkie. I love all things hair related, especially products. I like trying new things. But there have been obviously some things that I've used back in the day, way back when, that really worked for me, and I really wanted to revisit it. So one of the products that I wanted to talk about today is a hair milk. I have seen so many positive reviews about this, whether it be on YouTube. Yeah, so I have seen so many good reviews about it. And the product, you might be wondering, what am I talking about, is by Camille Rose. So I just wanted to turn my light so you can see it properly. So it's the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk, which looks like this, and it's from the original line. I believe this is the original line, the pink packaging, because when I first learned about Camille Rose, there really wasn't much in terms of the product range, and this is the one that I knew of. Obviously they've come out with some other products as the years have gone on, but I know that this has been around for a few years now, and I love this. First of all, the smell. Before I even squeeze this product onto my hands, the smell, oh, it smells like buttercream, it smells like cake, it smells like buttercream. Really reminds me of just cakes, edible cakes. And in terms of the consistency, so yeah, it's fairly thick, so you kind of need to shake it up really, and again, do that. But again, in terms of the consistency, so it's white in color, and yeah, it doesn't run off my hands. As you can see, I can even shake it on my hands, and it doesn't really run. It runs slightly, but it doesn't kind of drip down, and it is a really nice smooth consistency. It doesn't feel greasy, it doesn't feel heavy, it just feels really nice. I really like it. And the smell, literally, like, I just love the smell. Oh, I just feel like it's a smell that is just, yeah, it just smells so good. It smells really nice if you like that kind of smell. And in terms of the ingredients, there is avocado oil, there is rice bran oil, there is aloe leaf juice, castor seed oil, macadamia seed oil, green tea, rose hip fruit oil. So there is a lot of good ingredients in here, and it's a softening leave-in conditioning cream with light notes of macadamia, nut and vanilla. I think that's where the buttercream kind of smell comes from. And yeah, it just, oh gosh, it smells so good. I don't want to keep myself talking about the smell, but the smell is really nice. And my hands are slightly not greasy, shiny, sorry. But some people might be thinking that, oh, does that mean it's greasy? It's not greasy, definitely not greasy. It just feels like it will definitely moisturize your hair, and it really does. So, and the thing why I wanted to revisit it is that I've used it on a number of occasions, and as my curly hair journey has changed over the years because of what I've done to my hair, like chemical services, obviously I got my hair coloured, I've not had my hair coloured before, my hair seems to have reacted differently. So when I first used it, really liked it, was good. Then I stopped using it, and then I revisited again maybe like a year or two after that. And then I just didn't like the way my hair felt. It just didn't do anything for my hair. My hair didn't feel very moisturised, so I kind of stopped using it. And then I thought to myself, let me revisit it again, because it was in my product stash, and it just feels good. I don't know, it just feels really nice. And I like the fact that even in the in the directions, sorry, it does actually say that you can use this on dry hair and as a leave-in conditioner as well. That's quite nice, because on you know, when it comes to certain products, it says to only use on towel dried hair, wet hair, so you can't really use it in between wash days. You can try, but you might not get the same effect, or it might just sit and weigh your hair quite heavy. It might just sit on the surface and just don't do it. It doesn't do anything for your hair, and it just creates all this build up. When really and truly, when I've used this, it just sinks into my hair. It feels nice. It just feels really, really good. It's really, really nice. So I like the way it's really reacted to my hair recently. It's been really, really nice. And I thought I'd use it with my most recent wash day routine. So I use it as a leave-in conditioner, and then I added my styling products on top. And my hair, oh my gosh, I really like the way my hair felt. And this kind of, I don't know what it is. It's not meant to. Again, this seems to work on my hair, but it's like it creates some sort of hold. But I don't know if it's meant to do that. It's not like a hard hold, but it definitely kind of keeps my curls intact, which is really, really nice. So I like that aspect, because sometimes when you use a cream to refresh your hair, it might add the moisture, but it doesn't do anything for definition. It just makes your hair moisturized, makes it feel moisturized. But this one actually does both for me personally. So I really, really like that. I like the fact it's really readily available as well. So for all the UK viewers, it's available in Boots. I don't know if it's available on Superdrug, but you can get on a lot of different websites as well. So yes, that's really good, because before I could only get it from my local kind of hair shop, but now I can get it so many places online or in shops. So it's really, really nice. So I like that. And in terms of the price point, it retailed for about between 11 and 17 pounds, I believe. So yes, that was good as well. It does last you a pretty long time, because you only need a little bit. Seriously, if you use too much, it might make your hair feel too heavy, because it is quite moisturizing. So you don't want to use too much, but you want to use enough in order for your hair to feel good. You want that obviously feel good factor for your hair as well. And I just love it. And I've seen nothing but really good reviews. Obviously there has been some odd reviews where people haven't liked it, but again, everyone's hair is different, so I don't, you know, I'm not surprised about that. But there has been more positive reviews than there has been negative reviews from what I've known anyway. So that is really, really good. So, and I've used it on my daughter's hair as well. It works really, really nice on my daughter's hair. My daughter actually loves the smell as well. That kind of like obviously cake smell. She loves her cakes. So anything that smells like cakes is even better. So yeah, she likes that as well. Yeah, so that's Camille Rose really. So I guess a question to everybody today is, have you tried the Curl Love? Have you found it? Has it worked for your hair, or maybe your child's hair, or children's hair, or your partner's hair maybe? And in terms of Camille Rose's range as well, have you tried anything else from her range? Yeah, or is there any particular moisture milks that you like to use? So please include them all in the comment section below, and do let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. You know, I love taking on board any comments that come my way. I really like, you know, interacting with my viewers as well. So do let me know if there's anything that you would like to particularly see from me. It can be quite tricky at times to film the lengthier videos, because I always think, oh, I'd love to do this, I'd love to do that. But having a family and being a busy woman that I am, sometimes it's hard to kind of get those lengthier videos done. So I try to do, you know, as much as I can, but please let me know if there's anything in particular that you'd like to see from me. So yeah, so for everybody watching my video today, I hope you have a lovely day, a lovely week ahead, and stay tuned for some more videos from me. Love for my curls. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.